Okay, welcome back. 7 minutes to go for the pre-open session to kick off. Hormuz is here with the big movers that we saw on Friday. Hormuz, good morning. Take it away.
Good morning, Prashant. And some big movers indeed over Friday's trading session. And an important one is Vikram Solar. It remains in news today as well. But on Friday's session, the stock was down 10%, the biggest fall since its listing back in August of last year. Now, the third straight day of losses, the stock has declined in 6 out of the last 7 trading sessions, where it is down 20% during this period. Now, almost 85 lakh shares were traded on Friday, which was the highest volume since the 20th of January of this year. And 35% of the total traded volumes were marked for delivery as well. And the delivery volumes, though, were the highest since September of last year, where almost 30 lakh shares were marked for delivery, the 20-day average of just 3.5 lakh shares. Stock in news today because of the fact that its lock-in period is ending today and is 42% below its IPO price of 332. Now, Newgen Software has seen some very volatile moves over the last couple of weeks. Now, between the 10th to the 16th of February, the stock was down almost 20% in the 5-day losing streak. Then it had a 3-day gaining streak where it recovered all of those losses. Then the stock was down again on Friday. And in the last 4 trading sessions, every single session we have had more than 1 crore shares changing hands. The trading volumes during the 3-day fall was higher actually, 3-day gains compared to the fall that you saw on Friday. But the delivery volumes have been either in mid-single digits or in low double digits over the last 4 trading sessions. And even in Friday, 25 lakh shares were marked for delivery, 20-day average of 6.8 lakh shares, and the stock is still down 60% from its 52-week high levels. And one name that highlights on Friday is KRN Heat Exchangers. That stock was up double digits on Friday, the biggest single-day gain since July of last year. The Friday's volumes were the highest since October of 2024, and almost 2 crore shares were traded on Friday, 20-day average of 3 lakh shares. Close to 14 lakh shares marked for delivery. Friday's turnover 1600 crore rupees, higher than its free float market cap, which is of around 1590 crore. And investors like White Oak Capital, Mukul Agrawal own stake in the company, and the stock from its IPO price, despite the recent correction, is still up 4x from its IPO price of 220.
All right, Hormuz, and welcome back. I was going to sing that for you. Guess who's back? Back again. Good to have you back, Hormuz. Hope you had a nice, relaxed time. Get back to business, and we're looking forward to plenty from you. Thanks, Hormuz, for joining us.